All right, guys, we got something really, really beautiful and special. I don't think you're gonna see it anywhere else. 1947 International KB2 with a 6.0 LS motor. Look at this piece. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's got a beautiful stance on it, lower, just really nicely done. He's still working on it, but it's just a beautiful truck. Look at that. I'll show you the other side too, why not? Look at that thing. It's been through a lot in its years. It's got mid-length headers. There's the second one. Then it runs true dual. We just true dualed it. It was already all done here. Then we started right here and ran 2 1/4 out on each side, there and there. And you know, to continue with the old look, he had a couple of old Flowmasters laying around. He brought them in and we put them in for him there. And they're Flowmaster 40 series. And then we dumped it right before the rear end there and there. He doesn't know what he wants to do with the rear end yet, so that's why we just dumped it for him, as you guys can see. Came out beautiful. Look at that. Really nice truck. It's got a fuel cell on it and everything. Old truck. Really good looking truck. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And then it had stock exhaust on it, like quiet exhaust that we cut off. You don't want quiet exhaust on this thing. You want to hear it. So we're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. We started. Give it gas for me. Again. I'm gonna do a sound decibel. Go ahead. Give it gas again. One more. It sounds so much better with the Flowmaster. It needed those Flowmasters bad. Go ahead and back it up. It's an awesome truck. Check it out, guys. Really beautiful. Lowered, which completes the stance even more. Just a nice truck all the way around. He's still working on it. Give us a nice burnout. There we go. Oh, that's badass. I love it. Beast mode out of an international. You guys ever thought we were gonna hear beast mode out of an international? Well, you just heard it. Enjoy, guys. That is so badass. I love the horn. The turning radius is hard on this thing. It's so clean. Love a guy that likes to have fun. Hell yeah.